Okay, so totoo naman po na may Stonehenge. Mamaya papakita ko kasi nasilip na namin kanina sa bintana. Ang hindi po sinabi sa akin itong kasama ko, simenteryo pala to. Kaya pala yung mga katabi namin sa bus, may mga bulaklak. Kasi may bibisitahin silang kamag-anak. Pero maganda dito. I mean, yung surroundings, sobrang serene. Talagang mapapares in peace ka talaga dito.
This is us. For the next 28 days, we will be traveling and working remotely in Japan to have a glimpse of what it looks like living here. Samahan nyo kami and let us guide you to different places in Sapporo, Tokyo, Nikko, and Hakone. This is part of our 30ish Days in Japan series, kaya be sure to stay tuned kasi at the end of this series, we will give you a breakdown of all our expenses for this trip. For this video, samahan nyo kami to visit a Buddhist shrine and a hillside park sa labas lang ng city of Sapporo. It's a sunny day with a 0% chance of rain daw according sa weather app. Nagluto and nagprepare kami ng breakfast at nagpack ng lunch as usual.
Good morning guys, and palabas tayo ngayon ulit ng ating apartment. Day 6 natin ngayon dito sa Sapporo. It's a sunny day actually, kita nyo naman sa blue sky. May plan si Regine na aming puntahan pero hindi ko pa na-verify kung saan. So surprise na lang, let's go!
We boarded our nearest Tozai Line station going to Odori Station para makapag-transfer sa Namboku Line. From Odori, sumakay naman kami ng Namboku Line for Makomanai Station.
Hello again, and andito na tayo ngayon sa Makomanai Station. I got more information kung ano yung pupuntahan natin. Alam nyo ba yung Stonehenge sa may UK? Parang ganun daw. So, tingnan na lang natin kung ganun talaga.
From Odori Station naman ay sumakay kami ng bus going to Suzuran. After 2 subway rides and a bus ride, we arrived at Makomanai Takino Cemetery.
Okay, so totoo naman po na may Stonehenge. Mamaya papakita ko kasi nasilip na namin kanina sa bintana. Ang hindi po sinabi sa akin itong kasama ko, simenteryo pala to. Kaya pala yung mga katabi namin sa bus, may mga bulaklak. Kasi may bibisitahin silang kamag-anak. Pero maganda dito, I mean yung surroundings, sobrang serene. Talagang mapapares in peace ka talaga dito. Kaya lang, tinrider tayo ni Siri guys. Sabi niya sunny, hindi niya sinabing windy. Alam niyo pa din. So, 13 degrees pero feels like 2 degrees.
Inside the Makomanai Takino Cemetery is a notable attraction at Sapporo called Hill of the Buddha. It houses 13.5 meters tall statue of a sitting Buddha nestled within a hillside setting and surrounded by landscape garden and greenery. Ang concept behind the statue is for it to partially buried underground na ulo lang ni Buddha ang kita. This creates a profound and contemplative atmosphere. Another attraction inside the cemetery is a Stonehenge replica. Although hindi pa kami nakakapunta sa original Stonehenge na nasa England, and basing lang from the photos online, ay hindi naman nagkakalayo ang itsura niya from the original. Mas mukha lang itong bago. Nahulog yung phone ko sa isa sa mga bato dito habang nagpipicture kami. Hopefully yung screen protector lang yung basag. Last but not the least attraction inside the cemetery are the Moai heads, na pinakauna mong mapapansin dahil ito ang unang bubungad sa'yo sa entrance. These are also replicas, and yung original Moai heads are actually from East Island in Chile.
And tapos na tayo sa Stonehenge ng Japan. Gantay tayo dito sa may bus stop. Pupunta naman tayo sa Suzuran Park. Ang number ng bus is 106. Ang dating niya dapat is 106. Ang number ng bus is 106, tapos yung dating niya 106. Pero delayed siya, so 109 ang kanyang dating daw. Antay lang tayo dito konti. Andito na tayo sa Suzuran Park. Explore lang natin yung park. Since autumn ngayon, talagang maganda yung vibrancy. Maganda yung vibrancy nung or yung kulay ng lugar dahil sa mga puno. Dito na rin siguro natin kainin yung pack lunch natin. Kaya excited ako. Excited ako kumain. Let's go!
May entrance fee pala yung park, and you can buy admission tickets at an automated ticket machine near the entrance.
Philippine.
日本語大丈夫ですか？
英語です。Mo ba may restaurant? Lang, hirap bigla buksan. Yes! Eat. Itadakimasu!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Tapos na kaming kumain. And naglalakad-lakad lang kami dito sa Suzuran Hillside Park. Hillside siya, tapos maraming flowers, may mga lavender. Naglalakad-lakad lang kami dito. Ine-enjoy yung view. And maganda naman siya.
Takino Suzuran Hillside Park is a scenic panoramic masterpiece which offers different attractions katulad ng kanilang flower garden na nagva-vary depende sa season. Since autumn nung pumunta kami, kaya colorful foliage ang nadatnan namin. Naabutan din namin ang mga lavenders na mas prominent naman kapag summer. During winter, they offer sports activity like skiing. Na-curious tuloy ako kung anong itsura ng place na to kapag may snow.
Palabas na tayo dito sa Suzuran Hillside Park. Kasi 4:30 PM yung last na biyahe ng bus. Kaya kailangan natin pumunta dun sa bus station. Otherwise, mag-i-spend tayo ng isang araw dito. Hanap tayo ng tulugan. Pero, nakahanap na daw si Jean. So labas na tayo para hindi tayo matulog dito dahil malamig. Let's go!
Hope you guys enjoyed our trip at Takino, Sapporo. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you on the next one. Bye!
30 minutes din halos yung biyahe natin sa bus. Andito na tayo sa station, sa subway station, and babalik na tayo ng Sapporo.